Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the concept of mirror and water images. In a mirror image, the image gets laterally inverted, while in a water image, the image turns upside down. Let us take some examples to understand the concept better. We will start with mirror images first. As you can see in this image, the top and the bottom of the figure in the mirror image remains the same. Here, the top figure, which is a box, will be the same in the mirror image. The bottom figure is the same in the mirror image. Now as you can see, the left hand and the right hand side are getting interchanged. In the original, the real image, the right hand side was a triangle. In the mirror image, what you can see is the left hand side of the figure is the triangle. As you walk from the mirror, the first image you see in the real image will be the first image you see in the mirror image. This concept is called lateral inversion, that is, the left and right hand sides get interchanged. Now as you walk further, what you can see, the smaller line is this smaller line is attached to the plus sign. Here in the mirror image also you can see the smaller line is attached to the plus sign of the mirror image. This simple concept of mirror images we can understand better by taking more and more examples. For instance, let's take the letter B. In this letter, if I form a mirror image of this vertical line, this is farther from the mirror, therefore I'll make a simple vertical line that is away from the mirror. These two semicircles are there that make the B. I'll take two semicircles in the inverted form. You are not supposed to make a C that was there, a semicircle that was originally there. You have to change its orientation, that is, it will be in inverted form, not like this, it will be in inverted form. Now for example, let's take the letter J. Again, same way like in B, for the letter J there is a vertical line. The line is nearer to the mirror. I'll make a line that is nearer to the mirror. Now you have a curve in J also. I'll make a curve that is going away from the mirror in this direction, that is, in the mirror image also same way it will go away from the mirror. Let us take one more example for a letter. Let's see how to make the mirror image of the letter S. Now in letter S you have two semicircles or two curves, as you can see. One is in the form of C. Now for that, inverted C you have to make इस तरीके से, like this you will make the C, and the inverted C already that is there in the real image, you will have to make it as a C. So this is how the mirror image of S will look like. Now moving forward, it is not necessary that you have to make the image every time. For instance, in this question you are given options. This is the original image. In original image you are given an inclined letter T. For this, let's see, this is one of the inclined lines. It is at the right hand side bottom. So I want the line starting from the left hand side bottom. As I said, the image will get laterally inverted. I'll want a line starting from this side corner. How many images you can see which have line starting from there? Only one image. Rest every image is wrong. Therefore in this image it was not necessary for you to make the whole image. The answer is B. Let us take a different example. Here the inclined T is again at the right hand side bottom. You will need an inclined T at the left hand side bottom. This is where you can see the T. For verification you can also verify using this word O. This 0 is where, this is at the left hand side top of the real image. I want for the mirror image I'll need it on the right hand side. ये right hand side में है. The other sides every time the top figure is a T. I want a O at the top. In mirror images, the top and the bottom are the same. Only left and right hand sides get changed, right? If you remember correctly, then this is A is the answer. All the other images are wrong. Now, taking one more example for the same. In this image, in the box, four sections are made. Right hand side and left hand side. Let us name these sections. In the right hand side of the real image, top you can see a circle is there. When you walk from the mirror, first image you can see is a circle. Therefore, first image you will make in the left hand side is a circle. Now, in again, as I said, it was not necessary for you to make, it isn't important for you to make the whole figure, the answer figure. You can select one of the right answers. As you can see in the in these options, only one figure has the left hand top side as O. The others are plus, equal to, plus. All these images can be eliminated easily on the basis of one option only. You did not have to make the whole figure for it. Taking the next example, again, this box has a partition. Now, right side bottom corner, I have a line that is dividing this diagonally, this box diagonally. I want, this is the image that I want in the answer. Now check in which figure it is starting from the left hand side bottom. Option A and B are getting discarded because of this itself. Now the first thing I want in the figure, when I walk from the figure, the first image I see is a semicircle. Here you want a semicircle. In option C and D, where can you see a semicircle in these? This is not a semicircle. I can see a semicircle in option C only. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Now, in this image, again, partition is there. I'll make a partition. I want first image as the left hand top corner. I have a plus in the right hand of the real image. Therefore, I'll want a plus in the left hand side of the mirror image. On the top of the image, where can I see it in the options? Option C is discarded. It has a triangle in it. Option D is discarded. Again, it has a triangle in the left hand top corner. In the mirror image of A and C, I can see plus here in A and C options. Now walking further, below the plus, I have a small circle. In both options A and C, I can see a semicircle here. Now further, how will I discard one of them or select one of the others? In the real image, I have circle in the top corner. I want a circle in the top. Option A may you have a triangle in the top. I want a circle in the right hand corner. Option C has a circle. Therefore, answer is option C. In this image, the mirror is kept on the left hand side of the image. Now it doesn't matter whether the mirror is kept on the left or at the right hand side. In both the cases, the mirror image is going to be the same. Now as you can see, these lines that are there, this hand that is there in the original image, the left hand side hand is pointing, line is pointing upwards. I want a line in the mirror image that is pointing upward in the uh, right side of the figure. In this figure, option A, the right hand side line is pointing downwards. Therefore, I'll eliminate this option. In option B, it is pointing upwards. In option C, it is pointing upwards. As of now, option B and C are okay. Now in option D, the whole image is inverted. I am not interested in an inverted image. I want lateral inversion only. Now if I talk about the line pointing at the bottom, the line at the right hand side of the original image, it will be in the left hand side of the mirror image. Both B and C have images that are pointing downwards, so Both B and C options are okay as of now. Now as of now we have both the options. Now as you can see in the small this triangle, there is a small triangle line that is starting from the vertex and it touches the opposite side line of the triangle. Where is it starting from? It is starting from the left hand side. Therefore in the mirror image we will have a line that is starting from the right hand side corner from here, and it will meet the opposite side line. Now on option C, in right hand side I don't have a line starting from there. In option C I have a line starting from the right hand side corner and it is meeting the opposite side line. Therefore the answer is option C. Now in next question, as you can see, again the mirror is on the left hand side, doesn't matter. In the answer image you will find that you will want a circle. This circle that the boy is playing with, this ball is on the left hand side corner. In the mirror image it will be on the right hand side corner. In this question it is on the right hand. Option C, it is on the left hand, that is why I am eliminating option C. In option D also it is on the right hand side. Now when you look at the hand just below the ball, this left hand, this hand is horizontal. I want the hand below this circle, or the right hand to be below be horizontal in the mirror image. This hand is at an angle. I don't want this hand again is not horizontal. I don't want this. Now in option D the right hand of the boy is horizontal, therefore option D is the correct answer. Now in this image as you can see we have a circle in all the options, so circle doesn't discriminate the answer. Now we'll see we have a triangle in the question. The first line that you can see as you pass from the mirror, the first line you will see is a vertical line. So as soon as you travel from the mirror, the first line that you see in the answer figure should be a vertical line like this. So when you pass, what do you see? Is it a vertical line? No. Option A is eliminated, option B is eliminated. This is not a vertical line. Again option C is eliminated. In option D you can see the first line that you see as soon as you pass the mirror, the leftmost line, that is, it is vertical, therefore answer is option D. Now we come to water image. Unlike mirror images, in water images the images get converted are upside down. So instead of changing left or right, you have to check whether the images are upside down or not. So when I look at this image, this is the original image. First is a circle. When you put a circle upside down, it is the same. Now this arrow is getting changed. The original arrow was pointing upwards. In the mirror image, in the water image, in the water image you will see that the arrow is pointing downwards. This is how we'll find out what is the water image. Now again a square will be the same in a water image, no conversion is there. Upside down image is the same for square also. Now we'll see one more example. This is a stick figure. Now as you can see in the figure, the head of the boy, this stick figure is upwards, so in the water image it will be downwards, it will be at the bottom. Now you see these upward pointed arrows, the hands and leg of the boy are downward pointed in the water image. This downward pointed arrow, this hand is upward pointed in the water image. This is what is called the upside down conversion of a figure that we see in water images. Now let's try the water image of a few alphabets. Let's say we have to make the water image of the letter L. L has a vertical line. The vertical line will be the same for the water image. The horizontal line for L is at the bottom for the original image. So for the water image, the horizontal line will be at the top. Like I said, we have upside down inversion in water images. For the letter M, M has two vertical lines. Again, vertical lines are going to remain the same. M has this V shaped structure. which will get inverted upside down. Instead of V you have an inverted V for the new. So the water image for M will look like a W to us. Now let us take one more example for a letter. Let's say we have to make the image of the letter P. Again in P we have a vertical line which will remain the same in the water image. Now P has an inverted C, this curve that is there or at the top. In the water image it will be at the bottom. The orientation will not change. It will remain the same. This was the shape in the original image, this is the shape in the water image for the curve. So that will not change, only the position. In the original image it was at the top, in this image, in the water image, it is at the bottom. Now in this question figure you have a triangle. So in the answer figure for water image you will have an inverted triangle. In all the options you have an inverted triangle. So far so good. I'm okay with all the options as of now. Now in the triangle you also have a line, a vertical line is there. So in the option in the answer figure also you will want a vertical line, not horizontal line. The line doesn't change. If the question figure has a vertical line, the answer figure will also have a vertical line. So options 3 and 4 are getting eliminated because they have horizontal lines in the circle. Now in the question figure you have two arrows pointed. The first one, the one pointing at the top is the filled one. Therefore in the answer figure the one pointing at the bottom will be what? It will be the filled one. In the question figure the top one is the filled one. In the answer figure the one pointing at the bottom will be the filled one. Therefore the answer is option 1, not option 2. In option 2 it is the blank one. Now in this question you have three lines. A triangle is given in the question figure. When you make the water image of this you will have what? A vertical line at the left hand side. Here you don't have a vertical line at the left hand side. Option A is eliminated, option B is eliminated. So far in option C and in option D you have a vertical line. Now you have a horizontal line at the bottom. Therefore in the answer figure you will have a horizontal line at the top, as it is in the option D. It is not there in option C. Therefore option E is also eliminated. Now in this question as you can see there is a U in the box. You will get inverted. You will invert. There is no inversion of the vertical lines. It will remain the same. These options are eliminated. Only one vertical line is there. This option is eliminated. There is a tilted U in this. In this option C, the horizontal line which was at the bottom in the original figure is in the top at the answer figure. Therefore this is the correct option. Now in this figure as you can see all the answer figures have a circle, which is okay with me. In the question figure as you can see there is a line at the top left. So you want a line at the top bottom left in the answer figure. A option is okay, B option is eliminated, option C you don't have a horizontal line at the left hand side corner. Therefore this is eliminated. Option 4 is also eliminated. Only answer remaining with you is option 1. Now in this image as you can see in the box there is a line inclined at the top left corner of the original image. In the mirror image we will need a line inclined at the bottom left. The left side will not change. The figure at the top will go at the bottom. In the options the line is not in the left corner. This is eliminated. The line is at the top. This is eliminated. Here the line is at the bottom left. Here the line is at the, in option D the line is at the top. Therefore answer is option C. Now in this question you can see we have a box that is somewhat inclined. A rectangle is there in the box. It is inclined like this. It is tilted. So in the water image I am looking for a box that is starting from here, jitna, just the way it is at the bottom. So a box starting from here and inclined somewhat like this. What am I looking for in the water image exactly? A box inclined like this, not like this. I want it inclined in this way. In option A, it is okay. Option B, it is inclined the other way. I don't want the box like this. So option C is also eliminated. In option A and option D, the rectangular box is in the right way. Now, in the rectangle box, there is a diagonal. This diagonal is starting from left hand corner and going to the right hand top side, left hand bottom. Therefore, again I'll want the diagonal starting from left hand side, but instead of bottom I'll want it from the top. Here the diagonal is starting from the top. Here in the left side the diagonal is at the bottom. I don't want it at the bottom, I want it at the top. Therefore this option is also eliminated. Option A is the answer. That is all for the practice questions. You can solve the worksheets and exercises that are given to you. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comment section. Thank you and all the best.